Hi, I'm Felix Insunza, and I'm president of South Creek Roofing and Waterproofing, and she is.
Hi, I'm Erika Cortes, manager of South Creek Roofing and Waterproofing. Our company offers various types of roofing designs, including composition shingles, standing seam metal roof, tile, TPO PVC, wood shake, slate, and synthetic materials.
I started when I was 18 years old, and I was invited with a friend to help on the roof. And I saw the opportunity to know this trade, and I like it. That's what I get motivated to work in different projects.
I would say customer service is one of the main things, and having high quality roofers in our company to provide really good quality services.
On a recent roof project, we help a customer to take a right decision to replace the roof what he wants and what they need, according with the style of the house. At the end, the customer is very happy how it looks after we install it. We have a highly trained staff of 9 roofers with up to 17 years of experience. All our roofers aim to provide the best services possible.
The majority of our projects are new construction. Our track record is always either on time or ahead of our schedule. For all your residential and commercial needs, call South Creek Roofing and Waterproofing. For a free estimate, we provide you with the best quality and service.